中华纸业万里行。今天，中华纸业万里行来到了李文集团旗下的重庆李文造纸有限公司。重庆李文是李文集团重要的生产基地之一。下面，请跟随我们的摄像头走进它，了解它。
Recently, the China Pulp and Paper Industry Miles Tour arrived at the Li and Man Chongqing Industrial Base in Yangtze District, Chongqing. As the earliest established, largest scale, and most comprehensive production base of the Li and Man Group in southwest China. This site is not only a key pivot for the group's expansion into the central and western markets but also a vivid example of how China's paper industry has put the philosophy of prioritizing ecology and pursuing green development into practice along the upper reaches of the Yangtze River. Through panel discussions and on-site visits, we were able to gain an in-depth look into the operational fabric of this modern paper industrial city, witnessing how a traditional manufacturing enterprise, through full industry chain synergy, green technological innovation, and forward-looking strategic positioning, is writing a new chapter of high-quality development in the land of Bayu.